Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode. We are on a mission today. We are heading into
Sydney.
Yeah, so on a big mission. The whole clan is up early and we are gonna catch a train from Richmond, which is right on the outskirts of Sydney, and we're gonna go and venture and look at all that Sydney has to offer. So come with us and we're gonna head and go and have a look.
It was awesome to finally see the Harbour Bridge and the Sydney Opera House in all its glory.
So let's go to the Opera House and the Harbour Bridge, on the train, on the ferry, and it will be fun, they said.
We're about to have a pit stop. Right, a lunch, a snack pit stop because someone was moaning. Right.
How was the ferry?
Very slow.
Alright, so we're just in front of the Sydney Opera House and we need to slow down a little bit because this place is crazy busy. But I want to talk about these Opal cards, which is the cards you need to travel on the public transport. What a mission we've had. We got some cards yesterday at a Woolies, and then we topped it up online, activated it online, got to the train station this morning and they were not valid. The guy said just get on, it takes a bit of time. When you get off the other side, hopefully it'll all be sorted. Got off the other side, still wasn't sorted. Phoned up the Opal operators and they're like, no, the person at Woolworths should have activated and topped it up. It's not going to work otherwise. So we had to then mission to a Woolworths or a Coles or something. Went to a Coles, they didn't have Opal cards. Went to the Woolies close, they didn't have Opal cards. This is about 35 minutes of me running around Western Sydney to try and sort this out. Eventually found a Woolworths, got it topped up, got it all sorted, ran back because the ferry was going to leave. Wasn't any time to do any filming or anything because we pretty much ran on, grabbed the kids, and we were the last few to get on. Got off the ferry here at in Sydney CBD by the Opera House and lost the Opal card. I looked everywhere and I've misplaced one, so another mad rush to try and find another card. Got it topped up, but man, we did so much research and it was all sorted, and then then all of this mishap. But that's part of it, right? We are now in front of the Opera House. We're going to catch a ferry now to Manly and go and check that out. now leaving Manly. Super beautiful place, but obviously the time of year is just crazy. There's just way too many people. We took a walk to Small Manly Beach or Little Manly Beach. Had a cup of coffee and just chilled out a little bit there.
So it was a very busy day. We went on the ferries, went on trains. Also was a very busy day. I don't know what I'm saying a lot of times, even though. And it was also a very mission to get everywhere where we needed, because it was also a very busy day. So yeah.
Most of the next day we spent recuperating at the truck, preparing ourselves for Sydney on New Year's Eve.
What's for dinner?
Pasta and some meat.
What meat you got? Cooked chook. You good, bud? It's good, Mum?
Yes, thanks.
What do you got?
I just have some tuna pasta salad.
Tuna pasta salad. Roadside dinner spots. Guys, so just like that, we are in our position for New Year's Eve and the fireworks, and it is 11:30. We thought, oh, we'll be sweet with positions, fireworks, whatever time, and we cruised in here, and it is absolutely chaos already. I'll give you a little look around. Look at this. It's a pretty sick spot. We can get to see the Harbour Bridge uninterrupted, which is cool. But this was one of the only spots still open, and 11:30. So yeah, wish us luck. It's going to be a long day sitting on the grass, keeping the kids entertained, waiting for the fireworks.
Holy guacamole, guys! This is a lot of people right now.
Wow, so it is about lunchtime now, and yeah, the place is absolutely packed. It's crazy. Kudos to us for trying this with 2 young kids, but anyway, so just towards the back of where we are waiting on the lawn for the fireworks, they have just some food stalls, and then just to the back of us here, I don't know if you can see that, we have a playground, which hopefully will be our saving grace while we wait for the fireworks.
Yep.
Okay? Okay, you want to go to the playground? Yeah, how long do you think you can spend there?
Maybe 6.
6 hours. Yeah, because we probably, I don't even know, can't calculate now how long we have to wait before the fireworks. So yeah, it's about lunchtime now. Anyway.
I think we have to wait.
Yeah, for how long? Till it's dark. It's only midday now.
Yeah, because we also can wait until the fireworks start going.
Yeah,
because we don't know if when the fireworks start going, so we can also just watch until the fireworks go.
Yeah, that's it. So we're just chilling, waiting.
Yeah, the whole night.
Coming to playground just now.
And then after fireworks finished, all the way back to the truck in the night.
In the night time, yes, but that's still a walk all the way back to the train station, and then about a 2-hour ride on the train before we get back.
Yep.
Whoops, you guys will be sleeping. Bye.
Was this very moment that we were seriously regretting our life decisions.
It's been a long day.
It's been a long day.
Welcome to the Blue Mountains, everyone.
Hey guys, now we're going to see the dinosaurs. We just went on a bus and now we're going to see the dinosaurs. Yay! Yay!
What's this? Basically, they got 3 rides here, and sort of the steepest railway line in the world, the skyline now, which we'll show you, and a few things. But what a premium spot! Look at the views. And yeah, we've just been venturing this today, having a look around. They got a dinosaur valley down below, which the kids were loving. Walk through that, and a whole bunch of dinosaurs that move and do a bunch of things. So yeah, it's a great spot. Very beautiful up here, as you can see. So good.
Snack time and running repairs on the feet.
Oh no.
Some blisters.
Oh, this did. What you got, Oakley?
Yay!
What's that?
Yay!
Ouchie.
Yay!
Alright guys, so that comes to the end of the episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Something a little bit different. It's not exactly what we thought we would release as our second YouTube video. But we were passing Sydney and we thought, you know, you're only going to be doing it once, and it was New Year's. So we've jammed quite a bit of travel into it. Can't even tell you how many trains we've taken, how many hours we spent on the trains, which is super different for us because we've been in a truck. So yeah, we hope everyone's enjoyed it. If you haven't already guys, and you like what we're doing, just make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and you'll be notified of sort of all of our up and coming episodes. We're still new to this, so we're still trying to find our way, but yeah, we'll get there in the end. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later. Ridiculous.
Let's sing.